Gentlemen, this summit is heralding the one-year anniversary of this present administration. Almost a year ago, precisely on the 29th of May, 2023, during the inaugural speech of His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, he reassured the people of Rivers State of his will and desire to improve the ease of doing business and sustain a congenial fiscal regime to attract local and foreign direct investments, to stimulate greater economic activities, create wealth, and improve citizens' livelihoods. Here we are, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, witnessing the conscious efforts of this administration to harness the immense potentials for profitable investment opportunities and across various industries. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to further drive this home, may I, with all sense of humility, invite to give his summit opening address a man of great panache, one who yearns for an upsurge in the economy of Rivers State, the people's governor, the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State.